All this shit I bought, what the fuck did I just buy? Gotta add the money, I can't divide. All these niggas talking, but they don't fly. Better fly, fly. Spending all this money, what the fuck did I just buy? I don't give a fuck, I don't fly. I don't give a fuck, I don't fly. I don't give a fuck, I don't fly. I'm a good guy, I'm a good guy, yeah. I'm a hood guy, I'm a hood guy, yeah. Haters should try, yeah. Try me, then he would die, yeah. But then I'm gonna be the bad guy, right? He wasn't a bad guy, right? Fuck it, they give me life. I ain't gonna say it twice. You better open up your eyes. Fuck it, what did I just buy? I don't care cause I'm fly. So you better recognize she gon' suck it up if I hit her up. But I don't give a fuck, I won't hit her up. She try to get fucked by some nigga for some bucks. I'm just trying to ball like Harden versus the Bucks. Live it up till I fucking die. All this money that I gotta spend it, what the fuck did I just buy? I don't give a fuck, nigga, I'm too fly. I don't give a fuck, nigga, I'm too fly. Like R. Kelly, I believe that I can fly. All the shit I bought, what did I buy? I be fucking bitch with dick thighs, blue eyes. I'm butterfly. Fucking, I'm that fucking guy, nigga.